Hello friends, welcome to IAS ABHIYAN's Prelims Quick Revision Series. Today we will discuss on Olive Ridley Turtles. The context is recently the Odisha Forest Department has banned fishing in the state's Gahir Matha Marine Sanctuary to protect Olive Ridley turtles. Beside Gahir Matha Marine Sanctuary, Olive Ridley turtles also began mass nesting at the Rushikulia Roorkee in the state of Odisha. So where is Gahir Matha and Rushikulia Roorkee situated? Gahir Matha is located in the state of Odisha, which is also known as the world's largest olive ridley roorkee. The olive ridley turtles travel across the South Pacific to breed on the coast of Gahir Matha. It is an ideal destination because it is the world's largest nesting beach of olive ridley sea turtles. It extends from Dhamra River mouth in the north to Brahmani River mouth in the south. Next is the Rushikulia River. It is one of the major rivers in the state of Odisha. The Rushikulia River originates at an elevation of about 1000 meters from Daringibadi Hills of the Eastern Ghats range. About olive ridley turtles, they are one of the smallest and most abundant of all sea turtles found in the world. They inhabits in the warm waters of the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Oceans. They are best known for their unique mass nesting called Aribada. They are listed as vulnerable as per the IUCN, that stands for International Union for Conservation of Nature, as well as Appendix 1 of both CITES as well as CMS. They are listed under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. There are some conservation efforts which was launched in India. First one is the Operation Olive, which is launched by Coast Guard as an exercise as part of its annual mission to ensure the safe mid-season sojourn of breeding olive ridley sea turtles. The Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and its latest amendments in 2006 provide legal protection to all the sea turtle species occurring in the state. Operation Save Kurma, species specific operation on turtles launched by Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. Thanks for watching.